Hello, this is Dr. Kevin Kirk, and today I'm actually going to make Swiss cheese. Well, very quick, cheap Swiss cheese. There are better ways, to detail this, but I'll do it just very, very fast. I have different tutorials to help out. There are lots out there online. I use a slice tool to make a wedge of cheese. So, there's my wedge of cheese. I'm basically done with that. It's boring and small, but that's okay. I have to make the balls to make the holes, because I'm going to make Swiss cheese. So I'll create some. I just want to create a sphere, because I'm just going to regular spheres. And I'll copy that out a few times or something, or just make a few. I have no idea. That's probably far too many. I'm going to have to make these into editable polys, actually. I think I can do them all at once. Convert to editable poly. What's an editable poly? I can, well, they're not positioned right, but okay. Probably easiest to position them first. So I'll move them into my cheese. Best way to do that is probably from the different viewports, and I can see it easily and just grab them and move them into the cheese, which sounds strange, but that's what I'll do. Sure, I'm overlapping like crazy here. But you know what? I think a little bit of overlap is okay. I left off a big one. Here we go. Let's put that guy there. Alright, so this is all way too low, way too small. Bring some up. Okay, you get the idea. There's going to be a lot of weird overlap. That's alright. Okay, so this is strange, but alright. Let's move that guy in there a bit. Alright. Okay, it's a pretty weird looking cheese, but you get the idea. Main part is to do the Booleans, and we'll do that right now, I think. See if we get everything pretty much in. Yeah, in ways. So we're good. Alright, so they're in there, and I want to make sure that each of these editable polys, each of the ones I want to use to subtract, are going to be attached. It just seems to be easier. So first I'll do attach, and click on them. Click on them all. Be careful not to click on the cheese. The cheese is not a part of it. Great, okay, so did I click on the cheese? Oh my good heaven. I did. Okay, now we want to position those again. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. And attach, all throughout. I'm trying not to make the mistakes that I did. Alright. Once they're attached, take attach off, because it's a scary, scary tool and kind of dangerous. So we have this, and I will actually select, I think, the cheese first. Oh, they're the same color now because it's the same object. I'll do the create. And it is a compound object. I can also get to it over here and create same thing and go to the compound objects, either way you want to do it. And I'm using something called a pro Boolean. So with my cheese selected, the part that you want to stay, I've got it set up for pro Boolean. That's usually the best one. And it's set up for a subtraction operation. So I'm going to subtract what I pick. I'm going to pick this, boom, and it all subtracts. You do. There we go. So that's what you get. And it's really, really strange looking, but it works. It really does work. And it works beautifully, usually. Here's a word of caution. Here's your word of caution. That's what it looks like. So once you do a pro Boolean, you're pretty much stuck. I'm not going to be able to make anything else with this plane of the side of the cheese, because there's no way to work with it now. So that's it. You're not going to put any kind of bend modifier or anything on it. It's done. I just knocked holes in it, but it makes a really nice cheese. And it's got other uses. So that is a very quick introduction to the pro Boolean operation.